Looking for a lunch spot that feels like a hidden paradise? Welcome to Kampung Daun Cafe and Resto, tucked away in the lush hills of Lembang, Bandung. Here, every table is a private bamboo hut surrounded by trees, flowing water, and the sound of birds. It's not just a meal, it's an escape into nature. The menu: delicious Sundanese dishes, full of rich flavors and warm hospitality. Kampung Daun isn't just a restaurant, it's an experience. Peaceful, romantic, authentic. So if you're ever in Lembang, don't miss this magical place.
Daun